Hi, good morning everyone. My name is Dimple. This is my friend.
My name is Komal Aaliya.
Today we are discussing about how to apply conditional formatting. What is conditional formatting? A simple rule that changes how things look like colors or icons when certain conditions are met. Makes important numbers stand out. Example, turning numbers red if they are too high, green if they are good.
Why we use it? Easy to understand, help show what's important quickly. Fun and engaging, adds colors and excitement. Helpful for everyone, teachers, friends and family can understand it at a glance.
Where can you use it? Tables like class marks or scores, chart bar graphs that change color by condition, shapes or text boxes that change color or get icons based on what's inside. Thank you.